Hello, welcome to my tutorial today. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you have subscribed to this channel, kindly comment and give a thumbs up and share this video as much as you can. So today I'm going to talk about ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is a large language module trained by OpenAI source platform. So it's free. So you just only need to sign up or create account. Once you create account, you are able to use the platform. So over here, the platform, these are tools. You can be able to change the mode and open ADI code. You can be able to it on this end. It gives you kind of how the platform is being used, the examples, the capabilities and limitations. So it's capable of generating human-like text kind of response, uh, but it depends with the questions that you type in. So let's say if you are a student and you are struggling to create an essay, maybe been given an essay to write about, let's say, um, uh, let's say write an essay uh, on the development of universities in Kenya. So such kind of a thing. So let's see. So the chat GPT will generate that story for you or automatically. And if you can be able to read through whatever answers or the response that it's giving, it's true. It's true. Yeah. So it makes your work easier and faster. So this also is a platform that also can be used by the songwriters. So let's say we want to, we can stop that so that we get to write this. We can say um, a Christmas, make make a Christmas song themed around Africa. So you see, so it will give you the verse and the chorus. So simple, so straight. If you are a songwriter, this is the best platform. So it's a an AI or artificial intelligent platform that you can be able to just type in and have uh, get to have your feedback or your answers to your questions. We can also make for the programmers, we can sorry, write, write a basic code to create a calculator using Python. So let's see if that code will be generated. Perfect. So the code is being generated, and this code, if you are a programmer and you are using the coding platform, You are able to just to copy this code. It gives you this. You can copy and have it in your platform, on your source code, and you're good to go. This is also a way you can be able to create a simple website. So let's say write a basic. It depends with with your questions, how you construct your question. Basic code to create a sim a simple uh, website using a simple, let's say, animal website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And let's see if that will be generated. So this is the best thing. So you see, here is a simple example of an animal website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you need not to struggle. It gives you all that, then you just copy the source code. Or you can just change the areas, yeah, that you want to change. Then you're good to go. You are good to go. You are good to go. Yes. So this is a very simple way of how you can be able to do it. You can create a website. Oh my God, this platform is amazing and crazy. Yeah. So imagine you can create a website within a day. Within a day. Yeah. So without further ado, let me stop there. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel and get more videos like this. And kindly don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, share, and like. Thank you. See you in the next video. So if you want to log into our create account, open go to chat.openai.com, then create your account, try it, then let me know your feedback. Thanks.